Hello dear friends, welcome to my channels. Today's discussions is impulse turbines. So friends, an impulse turbine, as the name indicates, is a turbine which runs by the impulse of water in impulse turbine. The water from a dam is made to flow through a pipeline, then through guide mechanism and finally through the nozzle. In such a process, the entire available energy of the water is converted into kinetic energy. By passing it through nozzle which are kept close to the runner, the water enters the running wheel in the form of a jet which impinges on the buckets and fixed to the outer periphery of the wheel. The jet of water impinges on the bucket with high velocity. After flowing over the vanes, leaves with a low velocity, thus imparting energy to the runner. The pressure of water both entering and leaving the vanes is atmospheric. The commonest example of impulsive turbine is Pelton wheel. So the Pelton wheel in an impulsive turbine used for high heads of water. It has the following main component. The component is nozzle, runner bucket, caging and braking jet. Okay, so it is circular guide mechanisms. So nozzle, what is nozzle? Nozzle is a circular guide mechanism which guides the water to flow at designed directions and also to regulate the flow of water. The water in the form of a jet strikes the buckets. A canonical needle or spear operates inside the nozzle. This is the spear. This is spear and canonical form. Okay. Nozzle in the axial direction. Canonical needle spear operates inside the nozzle axial directions. The main purpose of the spear is to control and regulate the quantity of water flowing through the nozzle. So this way water is flowing, and this is the nozzle and this is the spear. Spear is moving. The movement of spear is regulated by hand or by automatic governing arrangement depending upon the requirement. Sometimes it is very essential to close the nozzle suddenly. This is done with the help of spear, which may cause the pipe to burst due to sudden increase of pressure. In order to avoid such a mishap, an additional nozzle is provided of pressure. In order to avoid such a mishaps, additional nozzle known as bypass nozzle. Additional nozzle is bypass nozzle. Additional nozzle is called bypass nozzle. bypass. Bypass nozzle is provided through which the water can pass without striking the buckets. Sometimes a plate known as is provided to the nozzle, which is used to deflect the water jet and preventing it from the striking buckets. The nozzle is kept very close to the buckets in order to minimize the losses due to wind edge. So friends, this is bucket, this is my bucket. You know, it is already right, it is bucket. Okay, it is bucket. This is bucket, and nozzle is very close to the bucket according to the diagram. Okay, I hope I can clear. Okay, I can clear. So it is clear. Sphere is included in the nozzle, and water is passing through the nozzle, and sphere is moved. And runner and buckets. The runner of a Pelton wheel essentially consists of a circular disc. Friends, this is circular disc. Circular disc. This is circular disc and fixed to a horizontal shape. On the periphery of the runner, a number of buckets are fixed uniformly. A bucket resembles to a hemispherical cup or bowl with dividing wall, known as splitter. In its center, in the radial direction in the runner, so it is the runner Pelton wheel, and this is the runner. The surface of the buckets is made very smooth. For low heads, the low heads of the buckets are made of cast iron, but for high heads, the buckets are made of bronze, stainless steel, other alloys. And when the water is chemically impure, the buckets are made of special alloys. The buckets are generally bolted to the runner disc, but sometimes the buckets are cast as a single unit. Sometimes all the buckets were equality in a given time, but in actual practice, all the buckets don't wear equally. A few buckets get worn out and damaged early and need replacement. This can be done only if the buckets are bolted to the disc. Casing. Casing is strictly speaking the casing of a Peltier wheels does not perform any hydraulic function, but it is necessarily necessary to safeguard the runner against accident. Also, the prevent splashing of water and lead the water tail race. The casing is generally made of cast off fabricated parts. So friends, I have already drawn what is casing. This is my casing. Which is my casing? Casing is this portion. This is my casing. Okay, casing. So it is the main. Its work as prevent splashing of water. It's prevent splashing of water. Another is braking jet. My casing is discussion nozzle, runner bucket, casing. It is also discussed, and braking jet. Braking jet is whenever the turbine has to be brought to rest, the nozzle is completely closed. This is my braking jet. Okay, this is my braking jet diagram. So turbine to be brought to rest, the nozzle is completely closed. It has been observed that the runner goes and revolving for a considerable time due to inertia before it comes to rest. In order to bring the runner to rest in a short time, a small nozzle is provided in such a way that it will direct a jet of water on the back of the buckets. It acts as a brake for reducing the speed of the runner. So friends, I have already discussed total point. One is nozzle, runner bucket, casing and braking jet. Okay, so everything is clear. What is runner? You will see. You can see that this is nozzle, sphere, this is bucket, this is braking jet, this is casing, and this is the parts of Peltier wheel. So I clear everything. Thanks for watching. This is very short discussions of the impulse of turbine, and next we will discuss the mathematical part.